Hi everybody, my name's Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. I've started this YouTube channel really to share my passion and my journey of how I've got this far. It all started when I was a youngster and I collected and wore hats when I was a kiddie. Since then, I've not really done anything more than the normal thing of wearing baseball caps and Panama hats in the summer until recently. I went to the doctor for a regular checkup, and he suggested it'd be a good idea if I started wearing hats on a permanent basis to protect my head from the sun. So I thought, okay, um, what can I do to find out more about hats? And I went on the internet and started uh, exploring the different manufacturers, the different styles, the different materials, and I really got into it. So much so that I've now put together a collection of somewhere around 40 fedoras and trilbys, and I've been buying them, I've been restoring, reshaping, resizing, and on the odd occasion, I've been selling them. So in doing that, I've learned lots of things that you can do to effectively bring back to life these hats. And I've taken the decision I'd like to also learn to make them from scratch and make new hats. So I'm starting to put together the equipment that's needed for that. And I'm also researching the education and the training that I'm going to need to enable that to become a reality. So in the meantime, I'm going to record videos on each of these individual hats to give you a bit of a flavor for what's out there and the different styles, shapes, sizes, and I hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned in, and if you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.